What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And you already know who it is, Amanda. And as you see, I have been obsessed with slime, so I tried dish soap with salt. I don't think this is going to work, but we'll see. So I'm like mixing it up right now. I'll show you guys. I put a little bit of salt in there. I have to put in some more. Doesn't take sugar because I don't have a lot of salt. And you have to keep it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. And if this doesn't work, I swear, I will be freaking mad. Alright, hold up, guys. I gotta check something, if it's anything else. Oh, okay. There's nothing else. I'm doing a YouTube video, so shh. Dress it up in this kitchen like a stir fry. Y'all know that song by Migos?
We have one final question, and it is worth up to $25,000. This round, there are 3 answers, but you have to put them in the proper order. There we go.
I need to put some more in here.
Arrange these here Americans have at the beach, starting with the most prevalent. A, getting a sunburn. B, having things stolen. C, shark attack. The clock starts now.
Alright, guys, Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in about 3 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back again. I just had to go do something. So you guys, I still didn't put it in. I'm gonna put it in right now. It said in the freezer, but I don't have anything in the freezer. So I can't do that. I just put it in the refrigerator. I didn't put it in the freezer because I don't have no room. I'll show you guys. I'm serious. And up there is the ice maker, so I can't put anything right there. And up there, we could put something up there, but I don't want to. And then there's a cubby down there that we're not even using. Come on, man. We have all this stuff, but you know what? I'm cleaning the crap out. You know.
You lose half your bank. Your final bank is now $1,850. Now, we divide up the pot.
Never mind, it's too big. So yeah.
You must agree on what? I'll give you decide. Just like everything else in this game, time ticks by, your bank goes down. Are you ready?
Okay, guys, I think I should get the most because the money that we have is literally from my takeover. That's it. I don't know how you can argue that.
But you also cost us the most money near the end.
How?
Because we got the question wrong. I got the question wrong.
You weren't right either. If we would have gone with your answer, it would have been wrong.
But at the same time, I didn't. So I
Will you take C?
I will not take anything less than A.
I'm doing all these facial expressions for no reason. Like, so, I figured out something that I am going to do. But don't try this at home, honey.
seconds to state your case. Explain why you think
Guess what I'm doing, honey? No. No. If you guys want to know my smoothie, subscribe.
Samantha, 10 seconds. Go.
Not only were you 100% on a bunch of questions that you ended up getting wrong, but your take on the beach was completely wrong. None of us can get credit for that anymore.
Wait, at the end of the day, Samantha won us the most money.
Okay, anyways. Hold on.
If we don't want money in the bank, let's just go with it. This is peanuts. We're running out of time.
So I got a little cup.
Restart the clock. Let's just go.
And you need some yogurt. Don't mind if I do. It's like easy to open, but then it's like not easy. So yeah, you need a little bit of yogurt. So yeah, guys, just cleaning up my mess. You know. So we got that in there. And you're gonna need your favorite soda. Even though I'm on a diet right now, I'm taking off for a little bit. This might be nasty, but hey, yeah, this looks disgusting already. But hey, whatever. Ew, never mind. Stay cool and peace.